Bee Winfield and her partner Stu live on Merri Bee Farm on the banks of the Blackwood River at Nannup in southwest WA. They are passionate advocates of organic farming, permaculture and growing natural, wholesome food, relying on soil microbiology to keep plants strong.
In my opinion, we're all, we should be responsible for our own needs, and our own properties can provide all our energy, all our water, all our food. We just have to get organised.
You can stay at Merri Bee Farm, see how they run it and help out.
So I've learnt so much about all the different types of soils and how you can improve them.
During the year, Bee and Stu hold workshops on soil biodiversity, making good compost and compost tea. They offer tours of the farm on Sundays or by appointment, where you can see all aspects of organic farming. Merri Bee Farm sells their produce most weeks at Margaret River Farmers Market and in Perth City Farm on the last Saturday of the month.